In today's video, I'm going to show you 11 powerful free AI tools that can replace many paid subscriptions. If you're a beginner and want to save money while still getting professional level results, this video is for you. Let's start with general AI and writing tools. First is ChatGPT free version. It can help you write content, answer questions, summarize information, and even help with ideas and research. For most daily tasks, the free version is more than enough. Next is Claude free version. This tool is especially good for long writing, understanding context, and working with large documents. If you write articles, scripts, or reports, Claude can easily replace many paid writing tools. Then we have Grammarly AI free. This doesn't just fix spelling mistakes, it helps improve clarity, tone, and sentence structure while you type in emails, documents, or social media posts. Now let's talk about research and productivity. Notebook LM is a smart research assistant. You upload your own PDFs or documents and it summarizes them, answers questions, and even creates study-style explanations using only your files. Perplexity AI works like a smart search engine. Instead of showing links, it gives direct answers with sources, making research faster and cleaner than regular searching. For meetings, tools like Granola AI on Mac or Fathom on Windows automatically join meetings, create transcripts, and generate clean notes with action points. This can easily replace paid meeting assistants. Moving on to design and visuals. Canva AI free lets you create social media posts, presentations, and designs just by typing what you want. It's perfect for beginners with no design skills. Leonardo AI free is a free image generator that gives daily credits. You can create high-quality images for thumbnails, posts, or projects without paying for premium image tools. CapCut is a free video editing app with AI features like auto captions and templates. It's powerful enough for short videos and full edits without watermarks. Finally, automation and development tools. N8N Community Edition is a free automation tool that lets you connect apps and build workflows similar to paid automation platforms. And GitHub Copilot free for eligible students and teachers helps with code suggestions, debugging, and faster development inside your editor. And that's how these 11 free AI tools can replace many paid subscriptions. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.